This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. 1 pound ground beef or 1 pound shredded chicken, 8 small corn tortillas, 1/2 cup chopped onion, and 2 cloves minced garlic. Measure 2 tablespoons taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup water to simmer the meat. Prepare toppings in bowls. 1 cup shredded lettuce, 1/2 cup chopped tomato, 1/4 cup crumbled queso fresco, sliced avocado, cilantro, and lime wedges. Have serving plates, napkins, and hot sauce within reach to speed assembly and service. Heat a large skillet over medium-high and add 1 tablespoon oil. Brown 1 pound ground beef for 6 to 8 minutes, breaking it into small pieces. Add 1/2 cup chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves and cook about 3 minutes until the onion softens. Drain excess fat, then stir in 2 tablespoons taco seasoning and 1/4 cup water. Reduce heat and simmer 5 minutes until the mixture thickens and flavors meld. For chicken, shred 1 pound cooked chicken and toss with seasoning and 1/4 cup water. Warm 8 small corn tortillas on a dry skillet over medium heat 20 to 30 seconds per side until pliable and slightly charred. Keep wrapped in a clean towel to stay warm. To assemble, place a heaping 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling on each tortilla, then add 1 cup shredded lettuce divided, 1/2 cup chopped tomato divided, 1/4 cup crumbled queso fresco, sliced avocado, and a squeeze of lime. Serve immediately with hot sauce and salsa, and refrigerate any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.